presenting the topic which is named as online reputation management. In our digital marketing, we are studying the methods to promote our product digitally, but we also should be a bit aware about our topic which is online reputation management. Nowadays, in this world of digitalization, everyone is free to give his or her opinion on social media or on websites. We all have seen that in Amazon, before buying any product, we go through the link, we go through the review in which we get to know how is the product actually performing, how the product actually is. The users which are using it give their original feedback in the comment section of that product. Let's talk about the definition of this act of monitoring, addressing and mitigating search engine result pages or mentions in online media and web content to manage customer perception based on their internet searches. What does this mean? This actually means nowadays whenever we search for something, we find some results, right? In search engine result pages, we find some results of that. Many of the websites are sponsored, which we have seen, and then comes the organic pages which have to be there. Like the organic pages are the pages which are non-sponsored and rank on those keywords which rank above the other pages, other websites. Let's talk about the three terms which are given here: monitoring, addressing, and mitigating. Mitigating means act of decreasing severity and painfulness. Why are we using this term over here? Nowadays, if someone gives a negative feedback of any product on Amazon or any other e-commerce, that negative comment can be highlighted to an extent that will decrease in downfall of the sales. The second term is monitor. It basically means to keep an eye upon. Like we have our product on Amazon, we continuously, at a regular interval of time, we monitor it. That how are the users who are using it reacting to the product in the comment section or in the feedback or in review section of that e-commerce website. What are the goals and objectives of this ORM, which is not operation research, it is online reputation management. The first objective is building a positive image. The second one is creating awareness about the product among the users. Third is to avoid rumors. And the fourth one is this CRM helps in organic growth techniques which can be used for this ORM. Negative comment management, like we just keep an eye on the negative comments and then we go through the reasons why that person is criticizing that product. There are two types of criticism. One is constructive criticism and the other is destructive criticism. The constructive criticism is if someone if someone just writes anything unnecessarily without any reason. Like if someone says something without even using that product, that will be a destructive criticism. If we talk about the constructive criticism, it is something, constructive one will be like if I have used this bottle and I feel that many improvements can be done with the shape of this bottle. I will be writing it in the comment of that, in the feedback of that, so that they can just feel what a user is feeling about this bottle, the shape of this bottle, which will help the company in improving the product and at last improving the experience of the user. Strategies that any company must opt for this ORM. Firstly, we all know about social media handling. Every one of us are using Instagram, Facebook, YouTube also. By social media, we all have seen Apple, which is the biggest company. I think its market share is about $3 trillion. It itself has a social media page on YouTube, I think, and on Instagram as well. Why are they having? Like, they don't need that page, but still they have that page, which definitely tells the audience about the product, about the new techniques that Apple is adopting for launching a new product. Press release. This is something in which any company just tells about the information or any upcoming news about the company to the audience by the help of press, which may be digital or which may be print media also, like newspaper, magazines, forums. Forums is something related to a team that works on the comment, a team that just observes what type of comments are coming in any company. Then comes review sites. Like, if I have my website on Google, I will just be hiring a team which will be continuously reviewing that site, that what is happening in our site, what type of traffic is coming, what are the keywords that are being searched to visit to that website. Last one is blog post, which is related to writing content, articles. The next slide is impact of ORM. It definitely increases the sales, it builds credibility and trust among the customers, and it gives some online insights about the product that we are about to launch or that we have already launched. Now we will be talking about the term credibility in detail. What does this word mean? Credibility is qualities that makes others believe or trust on the company. If you talk about credibility in our India, Tata is a firm that is the most trustworthy company according to me. That's my opinion. If we have to book any ticket for railway reservation, we all will go to IRCTC website. That's the credibility. We have trust on that IRCTC website. And lastly, Jio. If we are talking about internet usage, BSNL, VI and Airtel are not giving that type of service, that speed that we need. Jio has credibility. Impact of negative review. Why are we so much scared about this negative review? We all, among this image which we can see, can anyone recognize who is he?
Real Vedant.
This one.
No idea.
This is the person who was responsible behind the Hindenburg report that was published a couple of months ago. The Adani shares fell massively. You all have seen. If you are having interest in stock market, you all are knowing the entire share market went to a downfall because of that particular report, which had some negative or some facts about Adani and its debts. This can we, do you know who it is?
Jordan.
पता नहीं.
He is Kanye West. He was the brand ambassador of Adidas. But after some of his negative comments related to Jews, the sales of Adidas fell down, and still the sales of Adidas are not up to that mark which it was before this statement. This is the impact that a negative comment can create. Both Hindenburg and Kanye West, we have seen the cases. Now let's go to the next slide, which is factors that contribute to ORM, in which we will be knowing about the social media, the 4 types of social media that any company can opt for. One is owned media, the other one is paid media, the third one is earned, and the fourth one is shared media. What is owned media? Like if I have the company which has an Instagram page is uploading some stories related to the production or related to the sales.